What is the role of an overseas agent? Step 1. Solving geographical restrictions. The development of overseas business is not limited to the registration of cross-border commerce platform accounts. Multiple accounts need to arrange multiple independent IP registrations to avoid anti-association. Marketing promotion refers to the registration of multiple social media platform accounts to carry out brand promotion activities. Of course, the IP environment of foreign website account registration must also be in foreign countries. Step 2. Improve internet speed. Overseas residential proxy users do not directly access the target website, but access the website through a proxy server. Therefore, the proxy server will set a relatively large hard disk buffer to store some data on the website. When the user visits again, it will directly pass through the buffer release information, and the speed of the network will also be improved. Step 3. Hide users' real IP address. Overseas agents can hide the real IP address of the crawler and avoid the website anti-crawler system. Step 4. Affiliate marketing, bidding analysis, SEO monitoring. Overseas questionnaires, etc. will use overseas residential agents. Step 4. Affiliate marketing, bidding analysis, SEO monitoring. Overseas questionnaires, etc. will use overseas residential agents. Pias5 has launched a new Black Friday special offer. Buy and get a lucky draw. iPhone 14 is waiting for you. Click the link below the video to buy it.